Hey guys, what's up? It's Ark here. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about something called Salad. Some of you may know about it, some of you may not. I just wanted to talk about whether or not it works. So, short answer, yes, it does work. The only issue is that it kind of just depends on your GPU, and I'm going to just get into the pros and cons in just a second. So pretty much, first pro is that obviously, you can mine. Whoops, I just stopped it, but you can mine crypto, which is pretty cool. And what you're actually doing for it, you're mining crypto for them, and they're just giving you like these little points. So this isn't actually cryptocurrency. This is just your actual like points, pretty much, that Salad rewards to you. So you get this that you mine for, and you're mining the crypto for them, I'm pretty sure, but you get these points. And so yeah, as you can see here, I've done like, as you can see here, I've done very little, but yeah. So does it work? Yes, it does work. I've had several friends get stuff from here before. Obviously not these big ones, but gift cards and things like that. It does work. The only issue is kind of what GPU you have. So currently I'm running a 1650 Super. I get around, I think, 11 cents per hour, 10 cents per hour, just kind of fluctuates, but around that with a 2 times earning bonus. Now, if you guys want to get a 2 times earning bonus for yourself, you can go over here and use this code right here. I'll have it in the description as well. It pretty much, it helps me out as well, and you can go all the way up until $4 earned using this code. And then, yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then there's also no time limit on that. It's just until you get to $4, which is already almost a gift card, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I have a friend who rocks a 3060, and he does this, and he says he makes 50 cents to $1 an hour. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but that's pretty good compared to my 11 cents per hour. But yeah, it just kind of depends what you're actually rocking with. If you have anything below a 1650 Super, it's going to take you a while. I mean, mine does it pretty slowly anyways, so it just kind of depends how much patience you actually have. For me personally, I like to play Clash Royale, so if I want a Clash Royale gift card, if I want to buy the pass for $5, it'll take me, it depends how long I have my PC on, but probably like a week to buy it. And yeah, I mean, that's not that bad, I wouldn't say. If you do have like a really good GPU, this would be totally worth it. You can get just some easy gift cards. The only other problem is it does take up a lot of power. So for me, I have solar panels, so that doesn't do a ton to me. But just be cautious and weary of how much power you're actually using up. It doesn't take up more power than what like playing a game would take up, but it does take up a lot of power, especially if you're AFKing. So just be conscious and aware of that and how much power you're taking up. And yeah, it works. Just keep going at it, and hope you guys have a great day. Hope I answered some questions here. If I didn't, drop a comment. I'll answer any questions I can. And yeah, sorry I sound a little bit stuffy right now. I kind of am. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in another one later.